Hey everyone, I'm Jake. Welcome back to another video. And today I want to talk about how I made my M18 Search Light PACKOUT compatible. Although Milwaukee sells an actual PACKOUT light, if you're like me and own a few other Milwaukee lights, including the M18 Search Light, I can't justify another big purchase. I also really like the M18 Search Light, and I even did a review on it a while back. A link to that video is in the description right below the like button. This adapter can mount the light laying down or standing upright. The bungee cords also provide a tight fit for 3.0s or even 6.0 batteries. This design can also lock into 6 positions on a lid, and the light can unpivot and spin to shine in any direction I need. If you're interested in making your own searchlight pack, I'll put some Amazon links to the materials in the description below. After marking center lines, I used some construction adhesive to hold the Lazy Susan down to the feet. These bungee cords fit in between the 2 plates of the Lazy Susan and are held in place by the side pieces. The base is designed with ridges for each orientation. One holds the side of the searchlight, and the other fits a battery. I used more construction adhesive to hold everything together. Thanks for checking out another one of my packs. If this is the first one you've seen, I have a playlist of other PACKOUT add-on creations. I'd really appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any other PACKOUT add-on creation ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.